Welcome to Urban Eco Habits. If you've ever thought about growing your own herbs but worry you don't have enough space, this video is for you. Today, we're sharing our top tips for growing herbs in small spaces. Let's get started. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates. First, let's talk about the right. Some are better suited for small trees and are all great. These are easy to and thrive in small. Next, you need to select the right containers. You don't need fancy pots. Repurposed jars, tin cans, and even vertical planters work perfectly. Just make sure your containers have good drainage to prevent waterlogging. Use a high-quality potting mix designed for herbs. This will provide the right balance of nutrients and drainage. Fill your containers with the potting mix, leaving a little space at the top for watering. Plant your herb seedlings or seeds according to the instructions on the packet. Water them gently but thoroughly. Herbs generally prefer slightly moist soil, so water them regularly but avoid overwatering. Place your herbs where they can get plenty of sunlight. Most herbs need at least 6 hours of sunlight a day, so a sunny windowsill or balcony is ideal. If natural light is limited, consider using a grow light. Regular maintenance is key to healthy herbs. Trim your herbs regularly to encourage new growth and prevent them from getting leggy. Harvest them often. The more you use them, the better they'll grow. Growing your own herbs in a small space is easier than you think, and it's incredibly rewarding. Fresh, homegrown herbs can enhance your cooking and bring a touch of nature into your home. Have you tried growing herbs in small spaces? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more urban gardening tips. Thanks for watching Urban Eco Habits.